learn English online at Base Training School. If you want to become proficient in the use of the versatile verb get, you've just to understand the different ways in which you use this verb. In this video series, we'll show you 12 ways with sufficient explanation and simple examples. Are you ready? Let's start. Get plus an object plus past participle.
When get is followed by an object, then a past participle, it can mean to finish or to accomplish doing something.
Get your room tidied before going to school.
In this form of get, we notice that the door is the subject and he must accomplish some tasks. I imagine this sentence, it's an order to the teenager to tidy his room before going to school.
The assistant has to get the report finished by 5 p.m.
In this sentence, we conclude that the assistant has plenty of work ahead. She must finish the report by herself by 5 p.m.
If you want to progress in English, you must get your homework done.
This example is about a schoolboy who has to do his homework.
The client arrives in 10 minutes and you haven't got the bed made.
Even the sentence is in negative form. The meaning is the same with get plus object plus past participle. Here, the roommate hasn't accomplished her tasks yet.
Even if you haven't got the test completed, you must stop now. The time is over.
Mostly the same as the previous sentence. The test must be completed on time. The time is over for the student and he hasn't finished his test.
It's a bit complicated, but I got it.
I know. It will be clear in the next video because we are going to talk again about the same form in another meaning.
You mean get plus adject plus past participle in other meaning.
Exactly.
In that case, we must get it explained immediately. Go, go, go!